How you doing?
Good.
Thank you.
All right, thank you. Hello. Sure will. Thank you.
So, how long are you here for? Until Thursday?
Lieutenant, no at this moment, so we can change your seat. That's not a problem. We'll be happy to change your seat.
Can I help you find your seat?
38.
Again, Delta does have a mask policy. There's also a federal mask mandate that we adhere to, so please ensure that your nose and mouth are covered by your face coverings. Once again, good afternoon. Welcome aboard.
There's a space for you right here.
Pay attention to it. Yes, she's right behind me. She looks like she okay. That's right. Yeah, I just showed her. This has to stay down for takeoff and landing. So, I push the button. Get up. This has got to stay down for takeoff and landing. So once we're in the air, that's fine. And I can just be out there. Hey.
Weather check.
Thank you.
All this changed, but our Delta spirit shines brighter than ever. From providing vital needs to vital workers, to sharing smiles, even if they're a little harder to see. Our number one priority has always been your safety. That means the highest standard of cleanliness on every Delta flight. That's the Delta Care standard.
Please take a moment to find the exits closest to you, and remember, they might be behind you. If there's a loss of power, lights will illuminate the aisle to guide you to an exit.
It's unlikely, but if cabin pressure changes, the panels inside the lavatories and above your seat will open, revealing oxygen masks. If this happens, reach up and pull the mask towards you until the tube is fully extended to start the flow of oxygen. Remove any face coverings and place the mask over your nose and mouth.
Got that crosswind going. God dang. Yep. If there's a strong wind from the west and you're landing coming from south, you're gonna get that.
Who was it? Celine. I'm sorry, Celine, to be your first flight. That was probably the first flight ever.
Please stay seated with your seatbelt fastened and your carry-on items stowed until the aircraft is parked at the gate and the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. Be careful when opening overhead bins to avoid injury from any items that may have shifted during the flight. In the next several days, you may receive an email survey from Delta. We welcome and value your feedback and use your responses to
All right.